Let me in, 64 counts, 2 waltz, phrased, high intermediate, West Coast swing. Wait on the left. This dance start facing 130. Part A, total 32 counts, 2 waltz. Section 1, right foot. Press forward with chest pop. Step, open hands. This is for lyrics, open up your heart. Left foot, rock, recover, point back. Make a half turn, snake roll, recover to left. Now facing 730. Syncopated, rock, king, chair. Section 2, right foot, step forward, pivot half turn, facing 130. Step, lock, make 1/8 turn, square up to 12. Out, out with drag. Syncopated jazz box, cross, back, side, cross, side. Count Part A, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Part A, Section 3. Cross, quarter forward, facing 3. Step, pivot, quarter, cross, facing 6. Shuffle to the right, side, together, side. Weave, cross, side, behind, side. Section 4. Make a 1/8 turn, step left together, now facing 430. Step right forward, left, step, lock, step. 2 3/8 pedal turn. Pedal point facing 12, pedal point facing 730. Right, coaster step, forward. This is the end of Part A. Count Part A, Section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Part B, total 32 counts, 1 wall. First B after 2 A's, facing 130. Section 1. Forward full turn. Cross, side, square up to 12. Half turn, side, facing 6. Left hand, drag over heart. For 2 counts. Right cross, samba. Section 2. Cross, left forward. Bring right hand up and head up. Over 3 counts. Hinge half turn. Quarter back, quarter side, facing 12. Bring right hand down, index finger point forward over 3 counts. Right foot, step, lock. Count Part B, Section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Part B, Section 3. Forward on right, make a sweeping 3/8 turn over 3 counts, now facing 430. Left cross, side, point left toe behind and look right. Make an unwind 3/4 turn, transfer weight to left, now facing 730. Forward coaster, forward together. Section 4. Big step back right and drag for 1 count. Make a half turn forward, now facing 130. Chase full turn, step, half forward, half back, facing 130. Back left, right, coaster step, forward. This is the end of Part B. Count Part B, Section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Whole dance count. Part A. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and A backward. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then you repeat the same sequence, AAB. The third set, ABA. The first A is front wall. Finished A here. Now you will do the B back wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and the last A only 25 counts. Last A, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1. End the dance with a praying pose. For lyrics begging for us.